Jai Bharat to all student. In last two lecture we have discussed about matrix, different types of matrix and its addition, subtraction, and also multiplication with scalar and two multiplication of two different matrices. Okay. So now let's talk about our next topic, Gauss elimination method in matrix. Okay. Okay. Uh, what is the method which is Gauss elimination? Okay. You know about linear equation like x 2x plus y is equal to something, and 3x plus 2y is equal to something, and then we solve these types of two equation. Okay, this is called linear equation. Okay, so this is easy to solve something like if we multiply by these two, this equation with 2 and subsets with this equation, then we will get as a only x quantity and something. Okay, and then after we get the value of x, then in either two equation we put value of x and then find out value of y, so that we will get answer of x and y. Okay, this is a easy linear equation. If in general there are complex linear equation also, xyz 2x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to something, x minus y minus 2z is equal to something. Okay, there are three equation and three unknown. Okay, so if we try to solve these three types of equation with previous method, like multiplication with these two and addition or subtraction, then we will get x and y equation. Then also if first and two equation multiplication and subtraction, then also we get x and y types of equation. Then also these two we solve as a previous method. Okay, this is somewhat lengthy process, and also error occurs in calculation. Okay, so in these types of equation, or there are four unknown and four equation. Okay, so how do we solve these types of linear equation? Okay, so if we these types of linear equation, if we use Gauss elimination matrix method, then easily we can solve these types of large linear equation. Okay, so Gauss elimination method is the to solve the large system of linear equation. Okay, there are three unknown, three equation, four unknown, four equation. Okay, example like determining the forces in large framework like a building. There are, if we want to find out about the different types of forces which apply in this building, then there are many types of forces: wind forces, earthquake forces, dead load, live load. Okay, so different types of floor. So this is a large network, and if we want to solve the total force, or like a wind, how many wind force, how many dead load in one force, and one floor and second floor and third floor, then Gaussian elimination method if we apply Gaussian elimination, then we will solve these types of different types of codes or large system of linear equation. Okay. So now first of all, we will start with three unknown but very simple equation. Okay. Here 3x1 is equal to 6, 2x2 is equal to 5, and 4x3 is equal to 7. Three equation, three unknown. Okay, this is simple. If 3x1 is equal to 6, then x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 5 by 2, and x3 is equal to 7. Okay, we easily find out about the solution. But these three equation, if we want to write as a matrix system, okay, this is linear equation. Okay, if we want to this three linear equation to transfer into matrix system, then how do we write as in matrix? Okay, so first of all, here in first equation, there are x1. So we assume that x2 is equal to 0, yes, and x3 is equal to also 0, because this equation only contain x1. Okay, so x2 and x2 is 0. In this second equation, there are x1 is equal to 0 and x3 is equal to 0, and third equation, x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. Okay, now if we want this linear equation to transfer in matrix, then we form as a ax is equal to b. What is ax is equal to b? Here x is equal to x1, x2 and x3. Okay, b is equal to b. So here scalar quantity 6, 5 and 7 b. And how do we write matrix A? So first of all, x1, what is the coefficient of x1? Here 3. Coefficient means sahaguna. Okay, what is the coefficient of x1? 3. Then first equation, we talk about first linear equation. Okay, in which what is the coefficient of x2? Is it 0 x2? Okay, if we write as this equation as a okay, now if we write as a 3x1 plus 0 x2 plus 0 x3 is equal to 6. ફર્સ્ટ ઇક્વેશન ને આપણે આવી રીતના write. Okay, so what is the coefficient of x2? 0. Coefficient of x3? 0. Okay, and first x is equal to x1, and next equation. Okay, what is the coefficient of x1? 0. What is the coefficient of x2? 2. What is the coefficient of x3? 0. Okay, x1 and x3 coefficient is 0, and in third equation, x1 and x2 coefficient is 0, 0, 0, and x3 coefficient is 4. Here second matrix, multiplication with second matrix x1, x2 and x3, which we want to find value of x1, x2 and x3, and is equal to 6 by 7. This is the column matrix as a 6 by 7. Okay, so in any linear equation, we transfer into these types of matrix, and after we solve the matrix of system, then we will get answer of x1, x2 and x3. Okay, comparison easily method is matrix method, is known as Gauss elimination method. Okay, now okay, answer to we find out about this answer. X1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 5 by 3, and x3 is equal to 7 by 4. But we want this example as a known as a transfer of linear equation into matrix form. Okay, how we transfer linear equation into matrix form. Okay, let's talk about next equation. Okay, here we have x1, x2 and x3, first equation. In second equation we only have x2 and x3. Here 0 x1. If we want to add 0 x1 plus 2 x2, and in third equation 0 x1 plus 0 x2. Okay, now if we want to solve, here also there are three equation and three unknown. Now if you want to find out about x1, x2 and x3 other than matrix method, then how do we solve? Here simple. First of all, we start with third equation. Here only one equation and one unknown, then we easily get x3. What is the value of x3? 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, get it? Now in second equation, here we have one unknown. Okay, we know value of x3, so 2x2 plus, what is the value of x3? 2 is equal to 12. Then 2x2 is equal to 10 and x3 is equal to 5. Okay, we got two value of linear equation x2 and x3. Now first equation, in here we have known value of x2 and x3. So if we put value of x2 and x3, then we will get value of x1. Okay, 3x1 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, from which 3x1 is equal to minus 3, so that we will get value x1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, simple method. We solve this with simple method. Okay, now this process of solution is called back substitution. Why back? Because we solve first with third equation, okay, and then second and then first. Okay, back substitution, first, third, second and 1. We will not solve first of all first equation, then second, first, third, then it's not called back substitution. But first of all we solve third equation, then this value will get put up in second, and we will solve second equation, and then these two value will get and put up in a first equation, we will solve first equation. So back 3 to 1, or if there are 4 unknown or 4 equations, then first we will get solve the fourth equation, then third, then second, then first. So this these types of method is called back substitution. Okay, now if we want to write this three linear equation in matrix form, okay, easy. First equation, what is the coefficient of x1? 3. What is the coefficient of x2? 1. What is the coefficient of x3? Here you know minus, so also matrix form we will answer as a -1. Okay, coefficient of x3 minus. Okay, now second equation, what is the coefficient of x1? 0. What is the coefficient of x2? 2. What is the coefficient of x3? 1. Okay, now third equation, what is the x1 coefficient? 0, and x2 coefficient is 0, 0, 0, and x3 coefficient is 3. And in column matrix we want to find out about a value of x1, x2 and x3 is equal to 0, 12 and 6. Okay, anyone have doubt if how to transfer three linear or any linear equation into matrix form? Okay, Ax is equal to b, matrix form. Okay, so Now if you have these types of matrix and you want to transfer matrix form into linear equation, then how do we get linear equation? Okay, we can get easily as a here this is the multiplication of two matrix. Okay, how do we multiply with two matrix? Here, first of all, first row and first column. Okay, so we will get answer as a 3x1 plus 1x2 and minus x3 minus 1x3. Okay, then first second row and first column. Okay, 0x1 plus 2x2, okay, plus 1x3. Then third row and first column, 0x1 plus 0x2 and plus 3x3. Okay, multiplication completed. Then is equal to, what is equal to 0, 12 and 6. Okay, equation, linear equation find out થઈ ગયા. Okay, so if we multiply with these two matrix, then we will get answer as a linear equation. Okay, so now this is the we example solve simple linear equation. Now let's talk about general system of three simultaneous linear equation. Okay, here. Okay, now it's a bit difficult to solve with the general method. Okay, so we solve this linear equation with matrix as a method known as Gauss elimination. Okay, okay, we will use the solution method known as Gauss elimination, which has three stages. In first stage, the equation are written in matrix form. First of all, we convert this equation in matrix form. Okay, in second stage, the matrix equation are replaced by a system of equation having the same solution but which are in triangle form. Okay, what is the second stage? If first stage we transfer them into matrix form. Okay, this is done. Okay, now we will transfer this matrix in a triangle form. Okay, we will discuss in different types of triangle, upper triangle and lower triangle. Okay, so we will some method we will transfer this matrix in the form of upper triangle. Okay, form of upper triangle means, upper triangle means this value we will get as a 0. Some method we will discuss in later part of this lecture. How do we get this value as a 0? Okay, and after we will get as a 0, then in final stage we this new system we solve by back substitution. Okay, last example, this is if this equation 3, 2 and 1, first, third equation, second equation and one equation, this method is called back substitution. Okay, so in Gauss elimination there are three stages. First, convert them into matrix form, then some matrix addition multiplication method we will transfer this matrix into upper triangle matrix. Okay, then with the help of back substitution we will get answer of x1, x2 and xn. Okay, let's see. Okay, in our first stage we will transfer this into matrix form x into b. Okay, okay, what is coefficient of x1, x2 and x3? 1, 3, 5, 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 5 and minus 1, 4, 5, minus 1, x1, x2, x3, and here 14, 3 and 7. Okay, now for our easiness, we will combine this matrix as a coefficient of column of vector of right hand side to produce augmented matrix. Okay, simple. We will convert this matrix in augmented matrix. Like first, this right hand side matrix coefficient of, okay, coefficient n is equal to 14, 3 and 7, like difference with line. Okay, 14, 3 and 7, this is called augmented matrix, simple matrix. Okay, so how, why we will transfer this in augmented matrix? Because whenever we require as a addition, multiplication, then we will not write as a whole form. Okay, it's bit of lengthy or time consuming. Okay, so we will convert this in easy form, same matrix form shape, but in easy form, augmented matrix. Okay, 1, 3, 5, same matrix, 2, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 1, and 14, 3 and 7 we will remove as a x1, x2 and x3. Okay, now okay, so if in future we will transfer this types of linear matrix in direct augmented matrix. Okay, we will skip this step for time consuming. Okay, so first equation here 135 and dash 14. Okay, 135 14 and so on. Okay, now second step. First stage is completed. Second step, there are, we will next triangularize the matrix of coefficient by means of row operation. There are three possible row operations. Okay, as I said earlier, we addition, subtraction or multiplication with the help, and then we will convert these types of matrix in upper triangle. Okay, so for we will convert the matrix in upper triangle, there are three types of row operation. First of all, interchanging of two row. Okay, why interchanging? Okay, if this second row, okay, convert then is third, swap with the third row. Okay, so what we will get? 1, 3, 5. Then third row, swap with the second row, 4, 5, minus 1. Okay, 2, minus 1, minus 3. Here is equal to, also we will swap with the second and third row. Okay, 14, 7 and 13, 3. Okay, got it idea? Why? Because okay, so this is the same matrix. Okay, now matrix is a linear equation. If we write as a, this is first equation, now I want to write this equation as a second equation and third equation. Okay, 3 unknown and 3 equation we will get. So first row, second row and third row. Okay, so we if any interchange the row, what we will get? Say only we will get as a name changes of this equation, 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Okay, anything you can write and anything you can change the row, but you cannot change the column, first column and second column. Why? Because this coefficient of second, first and second column will be different. So this does not equal to same. Okay, if we swap with a column, so only our operation is the swapping with the row. Okay, so first interchange of two row, then second, multiply or divide a row by non-zero constant factor. Okay, multiply or divided by non-zero constant factor. Okay, here you can write as a row operation, not column. Okay, because if we try to apply multiplication, division or interchange in column, then this equation will change. Okay, to interchange થઈ જાય to first equation સાથે, 4 interchange in second equation. Okay, so it is not possible, but we can change the whole row. Okay, so it's called row operation, not column. Okay, we in a Gauss elimination method we only operate in row operation, not in column operation. Okay, so if we multiply by with these two, then it's just same equation. Okay, if next matrix is 1 3 5 4 -2 -3 and 6. Okay, and 4 5 -1, we will get as a same matrix. Okay, why? Because if we multiply with 2 or divided by division with 2, we will get same answer. Okay, because is equal to as a same equation. So we can multiply or divide it by a row by non-zero multiply. It's not zero whole. And third operation is addition or subtraction from one row of multiple of another row. Okay, now if we have these types of equation, okay, then in simple method how do we solve these types of equation? Okay, first of all multiply with first and second. If we discuss about first and second, okay, if we want to remove one combination, so then how we will get? Simple method, not in matrix method. Okay, so first of all second row to multiply with first equation. Okay, second equation આપણે first equation ને multiplication કરશું. 2x1 plus 6x2 plus 10x3 is equal to 28, and second equation same to same, 2x1 minus x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 3. Then we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, then 2x1 minus 2x1 is cancel, and then here we will get as 5x2 plus here 10 minus 3 એટલે 7x3 is equal to 23 minus 3 is equal to 25. Okay, we solve these types of linear equation with simple method. Okay, so what we did as a operation, we first of all multiply with all equation as a 2, and then with we will get subtraction with first equation in second equation. Okay, first minus second. Okay, and we will get new equation. Okay, so this operation is also possible in matrix. Okay, first row ne આપણે we multiply with 2 and then subtract from second row. Okay, so this add or subtract from one row a multiple of another row. So these three types of row operation. Okay, let's talk about now example, so we will get better idea how Gaussian elimination method works. Okay, this example. Okay, now what is the upper triangle? We want to transfer this matrix in upper triangle. So what is here something value? Okay, here it is 0. Okay, this is upper triangle. Okay, so we want to by any method we want to convert this matrix as a 0 0 and 0. Okay, anything. So if we will get as a this matrix as a this value as a 0 0 and 0, then this matrix is known as upper triangle. Okay, then we simply stage 3 process, back substitution. Okay, after back substitution we will get as the answer of x1, x2 and x3. Okay, so how do we get this value as a 0? So we only get a row operation, okay, not a column. In column operation is not possible in Gauss elimination method. Okay, now here we want to get as a 0. Okay, how do we get? If we multiply with the first row with 2, multiply with 2, and if subtract with the second row, then we will get 2 0. Yes, if first ne આપણે multiplication કરીએ તો 2 and then 2 minus 2, so we will get as a 0. Okay, you can also done as a third row division by 2 and then subtraction with second row. Okay, only our main target is we will want to give as a 0. How do you do is not option. Okay, you can use different types of row operation. Either you can multiply with this first row and then subtract, or you can divide it by this row as a divided by 2 and then subtract with this row. Okay, we want this as a 0. Okay, so first operation, it's row 2 minus 2 into r1. Okay, we did a row operation as a row r2, means row 2 minus multiplication of row 1 with 2. Okay, first row ne multiplication 2, then minus r2. So here first row remains same because operation we did as in a second row, not in first row. Okay, first row remains same. Here 2 minus 2 0. Here minus 1 into multiply with 2 r1, so 2 into 6, so minus 1 minus 3, it means 6. Here we will get as the answer minus 7. Okay, then this also minus 3 and multiply with 5 is we will get 10. Minus 3 minus into 10, into 10 minus 10, minus 3 minus 10, we will get as a minus 7. Also 3 minus 14 into 2, 28 is equal to minus 25. Okay, we only did this operation in row 2, not row 1, but in operation in row 2 we use row 1. Okay, so we have subtracted twice row equation 1 from row 2. Okay, so first task is completed, we will get 0 in first. Okay, now second, here we also want to value as a 0. So how do we get? Okay, in first operation with multiplication with by 4 and minus. Okay, r3 minus 4r1, same as r2 minus 2r1 and r3 minus 4r1. Okay, so 4 minus 4 0, then 5 minus 4 into 3 is equal to 12, minus 7, then minus 1 minus 5 into 4 is equal to 21, so we will get answer as a minus 21. Then 7 minus 14 into 4, okay, and we will get answer as a minus 49. Okay, so these two operation we will get answer as a these two value 0, but our second stage is not completed. Why? We also want to this as a 0. Okay, then this matrix is converted in upper triangle matrix. Okay, so how do we get this is a 0? So now first of all, here minus minus minus, we can remove minus. Yes. Okay, if we multiply this with second row with minus 1, then we will get as a 0, 7, 13 and 25. Okay, and also in third row we will multiply with minus 1, we will get 7, 21 and 49. Minus remove kara or multiplication with minus 1. Okay, so simple આપણને આ matrix we will get these types of matrix. Now here we want to do this in convert this value 7 into 0. So how do we convert this? Here you can see that this is the 7. Okay, so R3 minus R2 if we get, then we will get 0. Yes, here do not we operation in third row, not in second row, so second row will be same. Okay, we only apply operation in third row, R3 minus R2. So 7 minus 7 0, 13 minus 21 8, 25 minus 49 is equal to 24. Oh, sorry, R3 minus R2 means 49 minus 25, we will get as a 24. Okay, so our second stage is completed. This is upper triangle matrix. Okay, now third stage, back substitution. Okay, how do we apply back substitution? Here now this we will convert these types of matrix in equation. Okay, how do we convert? This is the coefficient of x1, so x1, this is the coefficient of x2, 3x2 plus 5x3 is equal to 14. Okay, then 0x1 plus 7x2 plus 13x3 is equal to 25. Then 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 8x3 is equal to 24. Okay, so these three types of linear equation we will get to convert matrix form in equation form. Okay, so here you can see that our simple method, back substitution method, x3 is equal to 3, then we will apply this in second equation, x2 and 13 into 3 39, and we will get answer of x2. Okay, then x2 and x3 value we will put up in equation 1, and we will get answer in x1 is equal to 5. So this question elimination we will get answer, we will solve these types of linear equation. Okay, in next lecture we will see different types of equation. Okay, here your assignment question, you have to solve this one, only this question. Okay, and put up in your red and white application. Okay, now your lecture is completed.